Very sheer coverage. It is very light though, I will say that.
No basics on.
Hey Stush Gang, welcome to another Slay with Stushy. So today I finally got my hands on a new Fenty Beauty complexion product. Today I'm actually going to be demoing and reviewing Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I actually got mine today in the mail because it was sold out in stores when I tried to stop in and pick mine up. So if you're interested in seeing me demo Fenty Beauty's newest complexion product, then please keep on watching. Before we start today's video, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 5K. We would love for you to join us along the journey. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy demos and reviews, and please drop your questions, comments down below. Let's continue the conversation, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the demo and review of the newest Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint from Fenty Beauty. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. This is what the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint looks like. I got the shade 20. So before we start playing with the products, I always want to read off a little bit of information from the actual website or from Fenty Beauty. So what is the Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint? It is a lightweight, buildable, light to medium coverage skin tint that leaves the skin looking blurred and smooth in flexible shades for all. So it claims to be an easy to apply flexible skin tint. It quickly and visibly evens out the complexion with a blurred effect. The Hydra Blend complex and humidity, sweat, and transfer resistant, okay, that's a huge claim, formula has a smooth texture that layers well with primer and skincare. It also claims to be long wearing. I don't know if I mentioned that. It is vegan, cruelty free, and has a light coverage. So let's go ahead and put it to the test. So this is what the box looks like. Not gonna lie, I've seen a lot of people say that it looks very small, and after receiving mine in the mail today, it is very small. I haven't watched any reviews. I do want to make that disclaimer. I haven't seen any videos. My friends have posted pictures wearing the Eaze Drop, but girl, I haven't watched any of their reviews or anyone's reviews for that matter. So I'm gonna give you guys my first impression, my true first impression, without any biased opinions or anything like that. This is what the product looks like. It is very small. It easily fits in my palm, and this retails for $29. $29.50, matter of fact. They added the 50 cent on it, okay? $29.50. Please don't mind my crusty nails, but for me, the packaging is really cute. Fenty Beauty always gets it right with the packaging. Kind of wish it were a little bit bigger, but I guess we'll just see how much I'll need upon applying it. So let me go ahead and prime my face. I'm actually going to be priming my face with the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer today. I'm going to be using a few Fenty Beauty complexion products. I'm going to apply the Eaze Drop with you guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and complete my face. I might just put in a time lapse, but I want to make sure that I prime with you guys on camera, because it does note that it works really well with our skincare products and primers. So I wanted to ensure that I primed. And as you can see, I do have a few breakouts on my skin. The face is prepped, the face is primed. So I do want to note that my shade 20, or the shade that I believe to be my shade, is claimed to be deep with warm and golden undertones. So this was sold out when I initially tried to get it, so I just ended up ordering mine online. But as you guys can see, the applicator is a squeeze out applicator, so you could just go ahead and apply it right to the face. Let me see, how am I feeling about that color? It's looking a little bit light. I'm trying not to OD with the amount that I put on, so just because I don't know how much coverage it's actually going to give, but I did a few little droplets. I'm going to be using my Dark Skin Makeup Daily Sponge, DSMD sponge today, to blend it out. I'm not scared, but I'm kind of scared, but let's just go ahead and do it. Doesn't smell like anything. Very sheer coverage. It says light to medium coverage. Right now, all I'm seeing is light. Pretty easy to blend out. Please don't clock my lashes. My individuals are definitely coming out. They might look a little sparse. Don't clock that. I'm looking kind of radiant. I don't know if I'm the only one that sees that. I'm going to test the medium claim, so I'm going to go in with a little bit more on the areas where I feel like I want to get some more coverage. I'm not mad at the forehead, but I'm going to add a little bit more. Do I like the applicator? It's okay. I'm going to just focus this on the areas where I feel like need the coverage just a little bit more. It is very light though, I will say that. Am I mad at shade 20? No, I would love to see what 21 looks like though. Maybe I'll pick that up depending on how my face looks once we're done. But how do you guys think the face looks so far? I'm going to just do a little bit of light concealer underneath my eyes. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. This is the shade 410. I'm just going to do a little bit of concealer just to see if I could see myself doing this step maybe in the summertime. I feel like the timing of this release is perfect because it's warming up and the girls are not trying to do full face. Now me personally, I don't mind wearing a full face outside in the summertime, just as long as the my product will hold up. It won't be slipping and sliding all over the place. But let's see. Okay. My mustache is peeking through. I didn't get to shave my faces yet. I like to shave my face at the beginning of every month, which it's April. Happy April. Today's actually the 1st. You guys are going to be seeing this on the 2nd. But I'll probably do that tonight. Okay, so this is what the skin is looking like. You can definitely see some of my blemishes still. So what I am going to do is powder up really quickly. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Honey Translucent Setting Powder just to get some color back into my skin. I'm going to use my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Mahogany. And then to bronze my skin up today, I'm actually not going to use any cream contour or anything. I'm going to use the ABH Mahogany Powder Bronzer and add a little bit of highlighter. And I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint in the color 20. Stay tuned for my final review. Okay, let's chat. Okay, let's chat. Let's sit down and get to the bottom. Let's get to the bottom of this. Okay, my final thoughts about the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it a buck regardless of the fact y'all know I'm a Fenty stan, and especially if I spend my hard-earned money on it, my hard-earned coins on it, my liquid dollars on it, I'm definitely gonna keep it a stack, keep it a buck. So how do I feel about this product? Let me look at my face real quick. First of all, let's look at the face. I don't think it's horrible, but if I had to rate all 4 of the Fenty complexion products, like regarding foundation, this honestly might be the second to last on my list. If I'm talking about the first foundation that they came out with, the hydrating foundation that they came out with, the powder foundation that they came out with, and now the skin tint, blurring skin tint that I'm reviewing today, this might be the last or the second to last on my list, because although my face doesn't look bad, I don't love it. Do you guys get what I mean? Like, I don't love it. I feel like my skin has looked better with their complexion products. So I'm not 100% sold on this. I'm definitely going to give it another run. I'm not sold on it. My skin, again, doesn't look horrible, but I'm not in love with how it looks. I'm not like, ooh, girl, yes, I would like run to my vanity and grab this again to put it on. Like, that's not how I'm feeling like after completing my face. So right now, like, it feels weird saying that I don't like a Fenty Beauty product because I love almost anything that Rihanna comes out with, but I don't love this. I feel like my skin doesn't look all that great. Maybe it's because I feel like I'm still seeing hyperpigmentation, and although this claims to be a light to medium product, I feel like it's more light than it is to medium. Even after applying, you guys saw that I applied more than like one layer. So I don't know, maybe I can try to conceal my dark marks prior to applying this, and maybe I'll like the coverage a bit more. But I don't know, let me know how you guys feel about it. I will note though, my nose is holding up. Like, my nose is not sweating, not one bit. If you guys are new to my channel, my nose sweats through anything. It don't matter what you put on top of her, she's gonna sweat, okay? She's holding up right now with this product, so sweat proof maybe. I haven't had this on for too long, but it's holding, my nose is holding up so far. How does my skin feel? My skin feels pretty light. It honestly feels like nothing is on the skin, which I'm happy about that, because if it's going to be a tinted moisturizer, I want it to feel like I just have on a moisturizer that's giving me some coverage. And again, it is giving me some coverage, but it's not giving me what I want it to give. And maybe I'm expecting too much because I'm used to like a full face. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like she could have did a little something more for me for $29, $29.50. okay, again, I'm gonna give this another run for the money, but right now I feel like I'm still seeing pores. I don't know, I'm not here for it right now. I'm gonna try it out one more time, but right now it's okay. Like, it's all right. I'm not in love. I don't hate it, but I'm not in love. I feel like I like the powder foundation a lot more than I like this. I don't know, it's girl, I don't know, my skin has looked better. Let me know how you guys feel about this product. Let me know how you guys think my skin looks. I feel like my camera does do a good job at blurring some of the imperfections, but in person it could just be a little bit better for me. I feel like I'm ranting. I don't want to rant. If you guys have tried this product, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this product. In regards to price, I feel like $29.50 is a little steep, just a little bit. I mean, it's better than the $36, which is what all of her other products retail for, all of her other complexion products, right? So it is a little bit cheaper, but it's still pushing $30. So I don't know. It's not bad, but I feel like it could be like 25. Is it just me? 25.50 since you want to add the 50 cent. But I'm not being petty at all. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna give it another try, and if you don't hear me talk about it again, that means I returned it after giving it another try. But this is the finished look. This is the finished product after using the new Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Again, let me know how you guys feel about the product. If you have picked it up, let me know if you're enjoying it. Let me know if you're not enjoying it. Let me know if you have plans to pick it up after watching my reviews. I feel like everyone should try things on their own. Even though reviews are important when you're purchasing something, you always want to know how someone else feels. But my opinion might be different from your opinion after you apply the product to your skin. So yeah, let me know if you guys are picking it up. If you enjoyed today's review, don't head out before leaving your girl a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new. We're always doing reviews over here, especially on Fenty Beauty. I got this one a little bit late, but hopefully the review still served its purpose in your life. Please be sure to turn on your post notifications so that way you can stay up to date. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys. I don't know if I'm a fan, y'all, and it's so weird because I love everything Fenty Beauty. Well, almost everything. So if you're interested in seeing me demoing, what is this thing called? I don't know. This one might not be it. This one might not be it for me. I'm gonna give it another go. Did I do something wrong?